Hey, welcome back, everybody. The law firm of Lipsitz and Ponterio focuses its practice in mesothelioma and asbestos litigation, as well as other personal injury matters. This morning, one of the founding partners, Michael Ponterio, is back with us to talk about a seminar that's coming up that will be of great interest to the Niagara Falls plant workers, right, Michael?
That's right, Linda.
Yeah.
Thanks for inviting us this morning. On next Wednesday, October 17th, from 11 to 1, we're hosting a free seminar on asbestos and legal rights for Niagara Falls area plant workers and their families who were exposed to asbestos in the 60s and 70s. It's at the 4 Points by Sheridan, right at Niagara Falls Boulevard, in Niagara Falls on Buffalo Avenue, and we have free food and beverage, and we'd like to invite anybody to come.
You know, Michael, for people who have worked in those industries and they're not sure if they've been affected or not, this is still probably something they're going to want to attend.
Absolutely. Some people don't realize is the majority of exposure to asbestos took place in the decade of the 60s and 70s. And asbestos is a latent disease.
Right.
You don't breathe it in that morning, get sick in the afternoon. So it lays dormant 30, 40, 50 years. Many people that we've had are diagnosed with cancer and don't know what caused it. This is an informational seminar to let people know what to look out for and what their legal rights are.
Now, what if we have a family whose loved one worked in this industry and they have since passed away? Would this be of interest to them as well?
Absolutely. There are time limitations to start what they call a wrongful death action in New York State, and it's normally 2 years from the date of death, but there are exceptions.
Okay. So that would be very interesting. Should these people bring anything with them? Do they need proof of where they worked and the years that they worked?
I don't think so. Mostly just their attendance. We've got a huge database of all the work sites in Niagara Falls, ranging from in Tonawanda's and Ashland Oil, Durez, Hooker Chemical, Dupont, all of those major work sites in Niagara Falls, and we can assist people in tracing back their exposure to asbestos.
Now, Michael, I know last year you were at Lucarelli's and you spoke to those workers that were in that area. Now you're going to be talking to the Niagara Falls folks. What are you hearing from these people?
Well, mostly they want to know what to expect with their health. Some of them have been diagnosed with a non-disabling asbestos disease, and they want to know, should they be screened, periodic chest x-rays, CT scans, what to look for, and what are their legal rights concerning not just themselves, but housewives now are coming down with asbestos disease from laundering their husband's asbestos work clothes in their basement.
Very interesting. So for you folks, the seminar is for the Niagara Falls plant workers and families. If you believe someone in your family has been affected by asbestos or you've heard of mesothelioma, this could be for you, all right, folks? Wednesday, October 17th, the 4 Points by Sheridan in Niagara Falls. Register today.